Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, good evening to everyone. We are from LAX 2047 Poetic Society, and we are from group 37. So now we are taking the group discussion to video now. And let us introduce ourselves first. So my name is Tan Wei En, metric number 188876.
Hello, my name is Lim Jason and my metric number is 190642.
Hello, my name is Luen Ha, number metric 2000263.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zafar Mikarano. My metric number is 203273.
Hi, my name is Liu Peizi. My metric number is 188697.
Hello, my name is Tanjumi. My metric number is 188286.
Okay, so this group discussion too, we're going to talk about the first global issue that we have set in our last discussion. So this time we are going to talk about the first global issue, which is environmental issue, and we'll let Enha and Zafran talk about the first global issue and the poem that they prepared.
Okay, we have a prepared poem about the title is Mother Earth by Dave Mondrum. Okay. Our Earth is beautiful as view from the sky, but wait, is Mother about to cry? This blue planet shake and trembles and shed tear as it feel the war and the pain of its tenants fear. It's a human once causing the destruction of all that Mother put into production. Millions of eons sheeting land to the forbidden mountain and valley and waters that flow. Habitat grow to the natural all her children are destroyed by the greed of human evolution. Has the mother taken all that she can? Is she objecting to the inequality of man? How many cut and incision can she take? A special land and forest disappear in man wake. She give a warning as the elemental explore, showing how vulnerable humans are in their humble borders. Catastrophe spreading across the global. How much war will they become? No one know. The mother is angry. Sorry.
It's
The mother is angry and she has just begun to vent her fury as she converses with her son. So beware, human wants and her mother's action. Let not complacency and avarice become your distraction. Has the mother not provide all that you need, yet you repay with ignorance and contempt as you feel. So open your eyes, human wants, and respect mother love, for this is Mother Earth give to us from above.
It's a very long poem.
Yeah, no
Okay.
So how do you guys think about this one? Isn't it is a very beautiful poem?
Yes, for my opinion, right, actually this poem is like based on the view of how to say, it's like third view side, like from, because she using she and her. So from the view of the earth, Mother Earth, then they want to give human some awareness and have to ask human to love this earth and protect them. How about you?
Yeah, actually from this poem, right, I feel that the author has successfully made me feel like I have to love my earth and love the environment, because like currently we can see that all the environment pollution, maybe ocean pollution, throwing the rubbish inside the ocean or lakes, and maybe open burning, which can make the global warming temperature become riser and maybe others lah, and which makes the creatures in the land, on the land and in the sea, maybe they also can't find a good place to stay. Yeah.
Yes.
I very agree with Jomin. For this poem is very beautiful, but at the same time, they want to raise the awareness from us as a human being. Like especially the second one, the Mother Earth is crying means that our Earth is already sick, full
Yeah.
of global warming, like pollution, like what Jomin and Paisy just said, and as like nowadays, especially now, our climax is like the temperature is increasing. So yeah, we can feel the impact actually.
Yes.
For me, I think it's really creative for the author to write to describe the earth as has emotion, as that he has emotion, that the Mother Earth cry, that she's angry,
Yes.
like that she's sick,
Mm.
and but so we are using all these adjectives that we know that we can actually imagine what is happening with our Mother Earth
Yes.
as we're comparing it to us. Like when we are sick, we're feeling bad. Yeah, and then other than that, I think the author is also very clever to use like questions, like to ask the readers to think about, to reflect about
Their act.
their act, yeah, to think about what the author want to convey, like have the Mother Earth not given you enough?
Yes.
Yeah, so after listening to that phrase, I'll think like, oh, is it really that Mother Earth has given enough to me? Why am I taking more and exploiting more about the earth, and
Yes.
what I can do to
save the
save the
Earth.
Mother, to reduce the impact to
Yeah.
Mother Earth.
Yeah.
But,
So,
oh, sorry.
so right now I will explain the implicit and explicit meaning of this poem.
But I got a question
Oh,
before you
okay.
start. Is it maybe you got the question, you got the answer for my question lah. For my view, right, this is actually the author is quite angry to write this poem. Is it because I saw like
Yeah,
the word she used like quite critic,
because
Aggressive.
I think
aggressive.
the author is like blaming the humans' action on like destroy the
Destroy
earth by maybe doing some evolution on industry that cause air pollution or landscape pollution and landscape disturbing, something like that.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right now I will like explain the meaning of this poem. So for the first row, it's like meaning that our earth is very beautiful, and but the and the second row is like describe the mother as earth. Describe the earth as a mother. So the mother is earth, and is mother about to cry? It mean like the earth maybe experience an incident that hurt it and made it sad. And for the third row is like describe the earth is like having an incident that will cause the human to worry or scare. For example, like deforestation, something like that. And the planet, mean Earth, has like because the war is happen and
The society.
is like very messy, and it's the human ones causing destruction, means that human cause destruction. And of all that mother put into productions, mean like because our earth like provide us with a lot of resources like habitat and food and tree, yeah, and so million of aeon shifting land to and fro, means like the land is big like fonts for us to stay at there, and forming mountain and valley and water that flow, and habitants grow to nurture all her children means like we stay in Earth, and it's like a place for Earth is a place for us to nurture all the children.
And I think here the children means like the nature and also us, humans as one, the animals as
All the
the
living things.
yeah as the Earth's children. Okay.
But because of the greediness of human, and human have become evolved and
Exploit the
Yeah.
Earth.
exploit the Earth, and but our Earth does never like blame us or maybe objecting to our the
Action.
the human action on it like distortion.
Mm.
And so could the Earth bear with this destruction? So and because of the destruction of the human and extinction of animal and deforestation has happened, and the Earth is like become angry, and some disaster is begun to happen. For example, like explosion of volcano, and also disaster also happen all around the world, and we don't. It's a unknown like on the future of the Earth and human, because we don't know what will happen later on. So and the Earth is like, because of the destruction, the Earth like become changing, and the weather become hotter, because this one refer to the one of the role in this poem, to vent her fury as she converse with her son, means like because to make the angriness disappear, then the Earth like communicate with the sun, so the weather become hot, and
Use the sun to to
punish us.
yeah.
Punish.
Sun-
Wow, so
Punishment to
angry.
give us a lesson. Yeah.
Okay, let's continue.
and so the Earth has contributed a lot to us, and but how human like treat Earth, how human like treat Earth with like ignorance and contempt, as if
Didn't take any
didn't
action.
care.
yeah, means they like not carrying on the Earth. And for the last floor, mean like we need to conserve Earth and protect and love our Earth. So this what do you think about the theme of this poem?
You want to talk about the conclusion, Jason? Like what do you get from this long poem?
I think this poem is actually can rep like showing like the sadness and also the angriness of the author because of the human action, like they just care about their self, their money. Actually, they care so much on money until they didn't know how to appreciate what they have.
Yeah.
Good
Very
point.
good point, very good point.
So I think this one is a very good poems that can raise up our awareness that our earth is already sick.
Yeah, true.
So could you guys talk about what message that this poem bring to us?
Actually, from my point of view lah, it's like what we do, and if we do something good, and it will come out something good, right? We will get something good. But if we do something bad to the earth, we will, and on the other hand, we will get the punishment from the earth.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we must think before we do.
Yes.
That's
So
So
I think that's all from us.
Yeah. So for next video, maybe next week same time.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
We will discuss later lah.
Okay, sure.
So I think that's all from us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.